everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so thankful you took the time and wanted to quilt with me. This is just wonderful. We have been working so hard on our mystery quilt. Are you excited? Can you imagine? We're almost to the end of our journey together. Your quilt is coming so nicely and it's not that difficult. Our nice little 4.5-inch blocks have been just amazing. Just wait you finish. It is going to be super special. Today's blocks are made from 2 blues and 2 lights. I have chose fabrics from the Perfect Union collection, but you can choose any fabrics you would like to. You would have fun. The recipes for each of the blocks are listed on my blog at laundrybasketquilts.com website. You go to the blog and get the recipes so you can cut the fabrics. I'm gonna start today by just cutting squares, and my squares are 5.25 inch. I'm gonna cut 1 blue and 1 light. I'm gonna place them right sides together. I'm gonna make quarter square triangle units. I'm gonna take my pencil. This is a fun little pencil. Oh, this one is one of my personal favorites, and it is So Line pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. I'm going to draw my line point to point, from this point to this point, just like this. I'm using a red so you can see it, but you can use the gray. Either one will work really nice. Now what you need to do is stitch next to the line, staying a 1/4 inch away from that line on both sides. And I have to tell you, for the quarter square triangle unit, I use a shy 1/4 inch seam allowance. Let me show you. It's just a little bit smaller. Do you see it? It's just a little bit smaller than a regular 1/4 inch seam allowance. As soon as I finish, I'm gonna grab my ruler, place it back over my line, just like this, match it right to the line that I drew it, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Let me cut this one more time. Super. As soon as I finish, look at this. I have 2 half square triangle units. I'm gonna push my seam allowance towards the blue. I'm gonna just go ahead, open it up, and I'm pushing my seam allowance towards the blue, just like this. I'm gonna now position both half square triangle units right sides together, and I would like you to go and press this with an iron. This is gonna be really nice when it's nice and crisp. So right there, you press it. Now I'm gonna pin it right here and pin it right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw a line from this point to this point. I have done one just for you. Look at, I pin and pin. To lock my seams, I drew my line, and again I stitch, staying 1/8 on a 1/4 inch on each side of my line. So this is my line, and I'm again using a shy 1/4 inch seam allowance. As soon as I finish, I'm gonna pull my pins out. I'm gonna grab my ruler, and I'm gonna go ahead and repeat by cutting right on that line. I'm gonna cut it right on that line, right there. Perfect. This is amazing. So right there, I just cut it, and look what happened. Open it up, and you have a beautiful 1/4 square triangle unit. So with 2 squares, 1 blue, 1 light, sewing it together, you get 2 units. And for block 10, you're gonna need 8 and 8. 8 from this option and 8 from this option. This is gonna be wonderful. I already went ahead and pressed it beautifully. I did open the center right there in the middle. You wonder how I did that? Of course I'm gonna show it to you. So look at this. You just pull it like this, and look, the center pops it right open right there. So all that you have to do, press it, and you're gonna have a beautiful 1/4 square triangle unit. So this is the first color option, and this is the second color option. 8 and 8 of those gonna be perfect for most beautiful mystery 2021. I am so thankful you took the time and made my mystery quilt so special by joining in and quilting with me. I am so excited for you. Please tune in tomorrow for block 11, and I wish you happy quilting.